Alright guys, it's Anthony here, Subaru Service. I got Mike's truck here. Went ahead and fired it all up. It's got bad fickum and it hot no start. So I'm letting it in here. I got the VGT closed. I got RPM up. We're gonna get it up to temperature real quick and then show. We're gonna go through the whole thing, hot air test. Hang on. Alright guys, here we go. Let's kill it. IPR at 20, boy, that's pretty good. Hang on. See what happens here. Oh, I can't do it with that sand. Hang on. Here we go. Right. Let me figure out what I'm looking at. $330, so I'm not going to look towards an IPR valve. Okay, 330, so they're ready. Let's get to it, tear it apart. All right, guys, we're all hooked up. Needs power supply, so we're gonna do that too, but hit it. Okay, you see anything on the driver's side? Okay, so let's just hope it's not an STC fitting. Nothing, it's pretty quiet. All right, so what we're seeing right here, top injector O-rings, who knows? Nibble cup O-rings, we'll see. So right now it's mad dash, valve cover off. I guess it could be dummy plugs. I don't know if this truck's ever been into. It does have EGR cooler, everything. It's probably bone stock.
Studded.
Oh, it's studded? Okay, so it's got studs in it, so it's been into, so. All right, top injector O-ring, standpipe, whatever. Let's find out. All right, here we go. Let me turn the light on. Standpipe is a standpipe and dummy plug are both updated. So let's go now. You saw it back there? Stick the hose down and make sure it ain't number 5 too. Hang on. Okay, we'll use this scientific approach right here of using a hose and sticking it in your ear and listen at which one. Hang on. Okay, so we got number 7 blowing out. Looks like just number 7. Now, I mean, honestly, I bet you this comes back to using guide studs. This could be attributed to, I mean, bone stock trucks hardly ever have this kind of failure. It's only trucks that have been into, and this is studded, so they probably just popped it on and who knows, nicked the O-ring, nicked the injector, and it just took a while for it to actually erode itself away. But so now it's oil rail off. Okay, we got another issue. Top half of the standpipe O-ring busted. I mean, we could throw another one in before we take the oil rail off and see if it quiets it down. Let's do that. Okay, so we put different standpipe in it. There you go. So it wasn't number 7, it was standpipe. Now hopefully number 7 isn't too degraded. No, it was already blown out by now.
Oh yeah, it wouldn't.
Alright, so there you go. Standpipe. O-ring on the standpipe. Now, yeah. Who knows, it was probably taken apart because you can't fit the whole standpipe in chassis, so maybe they took it apart and it got nicked or something. Who knows? Still listening. We're all good though. Let's go ahead and button it back up. Oil rail can stay on. I'm just still listening, Put a power supply on it, button it up, and there you go. Bye-bye. All right, guys, have a good day.